We are now inside Keyword Revealer. We will find as many keywords as possible that start with best and end in reviews using only Keyword Revealer. Okay, here are the results of the search. You would want to note that there are several phrases here that we cannot put in the same silo as best twin mattress. For instance, we can't put this phrase here, king size mattress, in the same silo as this one, best twin mattress. We are only looking for phrases that contain the word twin. So, we are not interested in any phrase that does not contain the word twin. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty of this one now. Keyword Revealer says the keyword difficulty score is 32. All of the exact match domains are available and none of the top 10 have been optimized. But still, this domain authority 15 site has 302 backlinks and is still ranking at number 8. This is a medium difficulty keyword, but we will still include this in the silo because eventually we will be able to rank this one high. The competition is not very strong. So we will save this keyword. Every keyword we save goes into this tab. We will close this tab now. Let's now find keywords that begin with the word best. There are 78 keywords that begin with best. But since not all of them contain the word twin in them, we will have to go through every phrase in this list of 78 keywords, evaluate the difficulty of any keyword that we think is interesting, and then save it if it is easy. We'll check the keyword difficulty of this phrase now, best twin mattress for kids. The keyword difficulty score is 28. All of the exact match domains are available. The top 10 is not optimized. This is clearly an easy keyword. We will save this. We'll go back to the main tab. We'll check this one now. This is clearly another easy keyword. The difficulty score is 27. All the exact match domains are available. The top 10 is not well optimized. This is partially optimized. But then this has a domain authority of 19, a page authority of 1, and it has no backlinks. This is clearly an easy keyword. We will save this. We'll go back to the main tab. This one is almost the same as this, but we'll still evaluate the keyword difficulty. This is another easy keyword. We will save this, go back to the main tab. Now this is the same as this one here, this phrase. We will see how to use phrases like these later. We will skip it for now. We will check this one, best twin mattress for toddler. This is another easy phrase. The difficulty score is 26. All of the exact match domains are available. The top 10 is not optimized. There is a domain authority 21 site here with a page authority of 1 and no backlinks. We will save this. Let's close all of these tabs. Go back to the main tab. We'll go to the next page. These are very similar to this one. You cannot have several pages on topics that are so very similar. But later on, we will see how to use phrases that are very closely related on the same page and get even more traffic. Let's go to the second page now. Let's go to the third page. There are no interesting keywords here. Now, we already have this phrase here, best twin mattress for a toddler. We have already saved this keyword. So, we will skip this keyword now. And let's go to the fourth page. This one has only 20 searches a month. That's a bit too low, so we'll skip it and we'll go to the fifth page. Let's go to the sixth page, seventh page. This one looks interesting, best firm twin mattress. Even though it has only 30 searches a month, later on we will see how to use latent semantic indexing and other methods to target several keywords on the same page, and then we will be able to get a lot of traffic even to pages that target very low search volume keywords. So let's evaluate this one. This one has a keyword difficulty of 44. The exact match domains are all available. The top 10 is not optimized. There is one domain authority 15 site here with a page authority of 28, but it has 302 backlinks. This is slightly more competitive than what we are looking for right now, so we'll just skip this one. Okay, let's go back to page 1 and we'll now search for words that end in reviews. None of these contain the word twin in them, so we will skip all of these. We will now search for best twin XL mattress. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty. The keyword difficulty score is 20. When you find something that has a keyword difficulty score this low, you don't have to look at anything else. It's clearly a very easy phrase. Let's save this. Let's go back to the main page. Let's search for keywords that begin with best. We already have evaluated these things. Best keyword twin mattress for kids. Do we have this already? Yes, we have. Okay, this one is new. Best twin XL sheets. This is another extremely low competition phrase. You should be able to rank for this very easily. It has a keyword difficulty score of 15. Let's save this. We will go back to the main page. Okay, this one, we will check this one now. This is another very low competition phrase. It has a keyword difficulty score of 23. All of the exact match domains are available. The top 10 is not optimized. We will save this. This one gets only 20 searches a month. That's a bit too low. Let's skip that one. So, right now, we have 8 keywords. In the next video, we will see how to use SEMrush along with Keyword Revealer to find even more phrases that have the word best in them or end with reviews.